Good morning, everybody. It's time for our winners of the Trick or Treat giveaway. I hope you all had a wonderful Halloween. This is Miss Jackie Russell, and we are getting ready to pick the winner. And I want to thank everyone who has participated and who has supported my channel. I really appreciate you. You all are the best. And I love each and every one of you. And I pray that you all have a wonderful November coming up. I've got the URL in. I've got that we want to filter by users, and we've got the word trick. So let's find out how many comments we had for the word trick. We had 26. All right, let's get over here and start this. Here we go. Let's see who won the trick box. Gayatri, you won our trick box. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. That's wonderful. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me, and I will get this package right out to you. Gayatri is a subscriber and public subscribed. And now we will move along to the next winner. Again, that was Gayatri. And her unique comment was, "What a fun trick or treat giveaway. Love it." All right, Gayatri, well, we love you too. And we appreciate your support. And we are going to come up and we are going to put the word treat in. And I must tell you, you can only win one prize. So Gayatri has won, and she cannot win on the treat. But we're going to see how many comments we had for the word treat. We had 23 for the word treat. So let's go down here to the random picker. And again, I want to thank everyone that participated in this giveaway. I hope you enjoy your goodies, and let's see who won the treat box. Lulu Yor. Hi Lulu, you're a winner. I enjoy going trick-or-treating with the little ones. I might steal a little treat for me from their candy bag. Hope you have a spooky fun Halloween. Congratulations, Lulu, and thank you for supporting our channel. And you have 48 hours to contact me, and we will get your prize out to you, your treat box. Those were our winners, Gayatri, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and Lulu. I will get this out to you right away. I appreciate all that participated, and we will be having more giveaways as time rolls along here. We do have a collaboration planned for an all true with about 7 of us in it, and we just, we're waiting on everybody to get their stuff, so to speak, and then we'll get that right out. This is it for today. I would like everyone to congratulate our winners. I thank you all very much. Have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.